Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about divisibility of numbers. Now this topic you will have studied in your school, okay? But today we'll learn about some different numbers, okay? In the school you had learned about numbers from 1 to 10. So now we'll learn about 11 to 20. Here I will teach in this video only I will teach about 11, 12 and 13, okay? I will make parts whichever number you want you watch the video accordingly. Okay, so let's start. So first number is 11. Okay, so if you want to check if any number which is given to you is divisible by 11, then what you have to do? You have to find the odd places. Okay, so you know the place values, units, tens, hundreds. Okay, now in that which are the odd places? Units, hundreds, uh, 10,000s. Okay, so these will be your odd places and the even ones will be tens, thousands and so on. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to simply find the sum of the numbers in the odd places. Okay. And similarly, sum of the numbers in the even places and then subtract. Okay. So whichever number you will get, it should be either divisible by 11 or it should be either 0. Okay. Then it is divisible by 11. For example, I have one number that is 506. Now I want to check if this is divisible by 11. So what I will do is, I will find the odd places. Now what are the odd places? Units and hundreds. Okay. So what are the digits there? 5 and 6. I will sum it, meaning I will add it. So 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. And the even place is 0. Okay. So, sorry, the tens place. So which digit is there in the tens place? It is 0. Okay. So 11 minus 0 will be 11. So obviously it is divisible by 11. Okay. Another number we'll take is 462. Which are the odd places? Units and hundreds. Okay. What are the digits there? 4 and 2. You have to add this. What you get? 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, and the odd place even place is tens. Okay, what is the digit there? 6. So subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so since it is 0, this is also divisible by 11. Okay, then the next number is 12. So here, what is the rule for any number which is divisible by 12? That same number is divisible by 3 and 4 at the same time. Okay. Why? Because 12 is the sum of 12 is the product of 3 and 4, right? So, for example, 84. So, 84 is divisible by 3. Yes. 84 divided by 3 is 28. You get a perfect whole number. Then 84 divided by 4 is also a perfect number, that is whole number, and that is 21. Okay. So since this 84 is divisible by both 3 and 4, it is divisible by 12 as well. Then the last number is 13. So 13, how to check if any number is divisible by 13? Whichever number you have been given, the last digit, that is the units place digit, you have to multiply it by 9. Okay, and whatever answer you get, you will have to subtract it, okay, from the rest of the number. So whatever number you get, it should be divisible by 13. Okay, so I have 3 examples here. First number is 273. Which is the last digit, that is the units digit? It is 3. So 3 into 9, it is 27. And what are the remaining numbers? 27. So 27 minus 27, 0. So it is divisible by 13. Okay. Then 91, units places ones. Okay. The digit is 1. You have to multiply it by 9. So answer is 9. The remaining number is also 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, it's divisible by 13. And one more example, 39. Okay, last digit is 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. And remaining number that is the rest of the number is 3. Okay, so 3 minus 81 is equal to minus 78. Now what you have to do, you have to ignore the minus sign. Okay, it doesn't have any sense in checking the divisibility. Okay, so minus you can ignore, and 78 is there. So 78 is divisible by 13, right? 13 into 6 is 78. So yes, 39 is also divisible by 13. So before we end the topic of 11, 12 and 13, okay, I like to give you all homework. So what you'll have to do, these are the numbers. You have to just check the check if they are divisible by 11, 12 and 13. Okay, every number you have to check 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then you have to write in the comment section if the number is divisible by 11, 12 or 13. Okay, so yes, that is a homework, and if you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.